Hello everyone,
Hi
this is our
everyone.
channel. Its name is Find Yourself, and we are here to give our reviews on coronavirus vaccine which we recently got it. And for the first day we want to tell you that on he got on January 14, 2021, and I got it the next day, January 15, 2021. So here we go.
Okay guys, so as you guys know that I had a vaccine. तो मैं कुछ आपको बताऊंगा कि आज जैसे पहला दिन हो गया है लगभग, और उसके बाद जो मेरे सिम्टम्स हैं, मुझे एक्चुअली लाइक इट जस्ट गिव्स यू लाइक मोर सोरनेस. तो अगर आपको पहले फ्लू शॉट लगा हो तो उसका जो सोरनेस का जो एक लेवल होता है उससे थोड़ा सा आई वुड से 30-40-50% ज़्यादा सोरनेस आपको रहेगा. प्लस इट्स गिव्स यू लाइक it's called malaise. I mean, you feel like very tired, but actually you're not tired. So it feels like you just like you this is like you did like work, but you feel like that's enough, you know. So it's like it's just temporary, I think so, for one day, and otherwise I'm feeling fine. I have no fever, no cough, no sneeze, no running nose, because the person who did a vaccine on me, she had even though spike in the fever as well, plus she was coughing and having runny nose and all those things. So I didn't have those symptoms. I'm just feeling fine completely, except soreness and just tiredness. So I'll update you my second and third day, how I'm feeling, how my pain is going away, and other symptoms. Because what happened with the virus, when it goes to your body, your immune system responds against it, and they're gonna find the antigen. This is like antigen, and it's gonna find antibodies against it. So it takes like whole process to go, and you can have different way of symptoms. Each individual is different, so it's hard to say what your symptoms gonna be. But as long as my immunity is so far good, so I'm doing well. I don't have any pre-existing condition except cholesterol is high, so that I'm managing through the medications. Otherwise I'm all right, you know. I'm healthy, work hard, everything is fine. So now Gauri gonna tell about her experience. Let's see how she's feeling.
Okay, so for the first day when I got a shot on that day, same day, the moment which I got a shot, I didn't feel anything at all, except it was feeling like a regular shot for me, or any kind of shot like a flu shot or any kind of like a cold shot or something like that, but it wasn't hurting me. But एज द मोमेंट हम लोग घर पे आए हैं, 1-1.5 घंटे 2 घंटे के बाद जो हम लोग ट्रैवलिंग करके आए हैं, इट वॉज little bit starting some kind of a soreness in my hand, little bit heavy on this side because I got it on my left arm instead of right arm. So उन लोगों ने मुझे warn करा था कि you might feel little bit feverish, little bit redness और rashes, और आपको बहुत भारीपन लगेगा, थोड़ा सा आपको सोर हो जाएगा, काफ़ी सूजन आएगी, आप लिफ्ट नहीं कर पाओगे. लेकिन बाय द टाइम फॉर ओवरनाइट इट वाज गोइंग लिटिल बिट ओके एंड इन द मॉर्निंग व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड सम exercise and moving my hands, by 11 o'clock it was all right. So on my hand, after like a hours, like a 12 hours or 14 hours of cycle by the end of the day, so it was okay. And second day का हम लोग आपको next video में बता देंगे कि कैसा feel हुआ था मुझे. लेकिन so far first day was okay. So let's see second day का क्या होता है. उन लोगों ने हम लोगों को बोला था कि 3 days का cycle है, for 24 hours, then 48 hours, and then other 72 hours. So let's see, हम लोग find out करते हैं. अभी तो सिर्फ 24 hours ही हुए हैं, right? So yeah, let's see. So आपको हम next video में बताते हैं. Alright, hello, hi, they are back again. Today is our second day. He has a second day already yesterday, and today is my second day. So we want to just give you the reviews on this one. So here we go.
Yeah, so hi guys. As we talked, day one was a little tough. Second day I'm feeling a lot better. My soreness is almost 40% gone. I'm easily able to lift my arm. There is no problem. The tiredness is still there, but I'm not really feeling crazy that they were trying to tell me that, oh, you're gonna be not able to function for 2-3 days. And I mean, they have some clinical trials where people were feeling, but I'm feeling perfectly fine. So I worked all day. I was fine. I treat my patients, and they were happy that I got Moderna vaccine, and I'm pretty excited. Let's see how day 3 work. I think so. My body is still not responding the way it should do, but we'll see how the immunity works, and we'll find out. Or maybe I don't have any symptoms at all. So let's see. So I'm doing overall fairly well. So I'm good now. Gauri can talk to you, and she can tell what's going on.
Yeah, so he just told you about his day 2. So today is my day 2, and my day 2 is very normal. I don't feel at all. Of course, the day 1 was very smooth, so day 2 is almost like a normal thing for me. I don't feel anything at all. It's just a 48 hours completed. So I would say it doesn't feel at all. You should go with that one, and it's for the protection. It's one more steps towards your normalcy. So alrighty, go with that one. Thumbs up. Hey everyone, again this is the 3rd day of ours, and mine is 3rd day, and his is day
Over.
4th. And yeah, he's already over with that cycle of the 72 hours. So how he's feeling and how his arm is working with his body and physicality, so headed to him.
Okay, so guys, 72 hours is gone. I had, as you guys know, I had a Moderna vaccine, so I'm feeling perfectly fine. I have no cough, no sneeze, but I have like a little bit of like a runny nose when I was working with my patients, and that was unusual for me, but it was very temporary for 3-4 hour time frame. But otherwise I'm feeling perfectly fine. I have no fever at all, no cough, no sneeze. My arm pain is almost gone. I only suggest you guys, whenever you go for your vaccination, make sure prefer the arm that you just don't use often. Like suppose your right side dominant, use the left. If your left side dominant, use the right. It's pretty simple. So you can have at least a functionality if suppose you really get super sore. Because one lady, I just talked to her, she had a vaccine and her arm got swelled up. I mean, probably it's not due to the vaccine. I think so probably the person who put the injection or shot on her probably didn't put the proper way. So who knows who is giving you, when is giving you. But just make sure don't use that particular arm that you use every day to day life, you know. So that's just my little tip to you. Yeah, otherwise I'm feeling fine. Now Gauri can go through her
my experience. Okay, thank you. My experience for the day 3 is like first day gone very smoothly, second day was just normal, and third day I don't feel anything at all. So for the other thing, I got the shot which I got it was the company name was Moderna. We both got the Moderna.
Yeah.
They were having only Moderna available that time on that center. Yes, and we booked our appointment. Actually, he got it from his job, and other one I got it. That was a lucky, of course, and I'm blessed also that I got it. Thank God. And I would say that that you should go with that vaccine as soon as it's available in your area and your approach. So go with that one. And I have a couple of questions which I asked with the pharmacist, and she gave me the answers very easily. Let me just share with you guys. They were telling me that you can go to any kind of center for the Moderna first dose, and if you don't available the time and the particular 28 days cycle for on the particular center, you can go to any other center which is near to your house, right?
Sort of, but let me explain you guys. So suppose example, you had a vaccine today. It doesn't matter you have a Pfizer or Moderna, whatever is available in your territory. If suppose they're gonna give you a little like CDC vaccination card, and you're gonna have like a dose name plus the date imprinted and signed signature, or the facility who did that. So what happened, you have to have that second dose exactly on 28 days. If you had a Moderna, Pfizer, you had to have 21 days period. You cannot skip that day. I mean, there could be +1 +2 days difference, but if you can get the exact date, you in heaven. I mean, that's there's research said. Okay, so what can you do? You would try to go back to the facility where you had the vaccine before, but since you know the vaccine has become early phase of administration, there is no lot of doses are available, so you might not gonna find the same facility booked or get appointment on the day when you wanted to have the second dose. So that scenario, as I talked to the pharmacist, she told me you can simply go to any facility. It could be a drive-through from your state, it could be hospital, could be your doctor clinic, could be your pharmacy, nearby pharmacy, or far pharmacy, it doesn't matter. Whenever you get the appointment, try to get the same exact date and same exact dose and company you had. I mean, so suppose you had a Moderna on, say for example, nearby.
14. So likewise, he got a vaccine on 14. So he and Moderna. So he has to wait for 28 days for the next dose. He cannot go 27 or 29. There is a particular and specific 28 days cycle for the second dose, and with the same company that is called Moderna. And he can go to any other center where it's available. The dates are available on time in the same belt. So go with that one, right?
Yeah, you have to get from the same, I mean, same company dose basically. Second dose has to be same company, and it has to be a same date that you have to have it. You know, I mean, 28 days if it is Moderna, 21 days if it's Pfizer. So that's, you have to really concern about it and try to find out your best way to sneak to those appointments. You know. Yep.
Alrighty. So any conclusion on this one? What is a vaccine, and what is the myth we are getting it?
Yeah, so a lot of people are pretty skeptical about why you need to have vaccine, and they're just really afraid, and there is a lot of stupid the social media so-called conspiracy theories going on, or they're gonna tell you, oh, this is bad for you, people are dying here, people are dying there, people are getting blind, people are getting paralysis, heart attack. You know what, I'm not telling you this is not 100% false. If you have vaccine in 1 million people, yeah, there will be 1 or 2, 3 people, or maybe few chunks of people gonna have side effect, and it's not just because of the vaccine only. They might having some other pre-existing condition which is also related to their immune system. And what happened with, since this is also trigger your immune system, and then you had the other existing condition going on, yeah, your body immune system shut down, and you might can have some severe side effect or some life-threatening emergencies, but it doesn't mean that everybody is dying having this vaccine. So that's purely myth. The other thing, why we did vaccine together, we want to go overseas again, we want to visit our home country India, and that's the whole plan. So Gauri and we just had it, and we excited to go to our second dose.
Yes. And so we are just waiting for our second dose cycle, which is after 28 days, following by the 14 and 15. So let's see, and we will give you some more updates on that dose too, and how it gonna be. And of course we gotta prove that we got it, so we are happy with that one. At least we are satisfied, and one more steps towards our normalcy life without mask. And so here we go.
Yeah, and
go Corona.
And one more thing I'm gonna add, I encourage you guys, whenever you get vaccine through your your face, try to get it, because it's gonna allow you to have that vaccine card, and that vaccine card gonna allow you to travel. And I think so having coronavirus vaccine, it might can also exclude you to have that quarantine period. If suppose you're going back to India, or you're going back to Mexico, or whatever you belong from, I mean anywhere in the world, having that vaccine card will allow you to, suppose you visit the country, you don't need to be quarantined, or maybe government's gonna say, different countries gonna say, okay, those are vaccinated allowed to come to our country and visit. I mean, that's really opens your life to be normal again, and that's we need. 2020 is gone, 2021 we need to be normal, we need to be human again. We are so much scared about this virus, but this is how we're gonna win against it. So enjoy your day, guys, and subscribe and like button and bell icon.
Thank you.
Take it easy, guys.
Thank you, and see you for the next videos. And if you like to see some more and happy family fun kind of videos, like, comments, and please subscribe our channel. And our channel name is Find Yourself.
Yeah,
Thank
just have
you.
fun.